How to change password in Sparrow Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are looking for a way to change your wallet's password in Sparrow Wallet, then follow through this step. First of all, launch open the Sparrow Wallet app on your device and make sure that you are logged into one of your wallets. After you're signed into the wallet you want to change the password for, go to the bottom left and click the settings icon. Inside the settings menu, go to advanced at the bottom right, and you'll be able to see a pop-up where you'll need to click on change password. Re-enter the current password for your wallet first to verify your account in the text box. Now, make sure that you click on this change password option. If you want to delete any backups, you can check this next box as well. Just make your selection and click on verify password. Now, enter the new password you want to change to. After you are done, enter the new password once again in the next field to confirm. Finally, click on set password and you have successfully changed your password for your Sparrow Wallet. So there you have it. That is how you change your password on Sparrow Wallet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.